Hi, my name is Dr. Mary Widener,
And my name is Katarzyna Węsierska.
and we are excited to introduce our presentation for the 4th International Conference on Stuttering, titled Exploring and Changing Stuttering Attitudes, Evidence for a New Community-Based Inclusion Program. We are both practicing researchers, teachers, and speech-language therapists, so it is very important to us that our research and creative projects bridge the gap between scientific research and clinical intervention.
In this video, we will introduce ourselves, provide an overview of our presentation, and explain why we believe this topic is relevant to researchers, clinicians, other professionals, as well as the general public.
I am an assistant professor in the Communication Sciences and Disorders Department at Edinboro University. I had the opportunity to research under the mentorship of Dr. Ken St. Louis in the area of public attitudes in stuttering. My research focuses on understanding and improving children's stuttering attitudes towards peers who stutter. I authored the Interact program, which we will share more about in this presentation. I am involved in various collaborations with researchers from around the world to improve public attitudes towards stuttering.
And I'm an assistant professor at the University of Silesia in Katowice, Poland, and a speech-language therapist at the Logopedic Center in Katowice. I am a European fluency specialist. In my research and clinical practice, I focus mainly on fluency disorders. I collaborate with international organizations and researchers from different countries to disseminate knowledge and change social attitudes toward fluency disorders. For example, I am currently coordinating a grant with Norwegian partners to share reliable knowledge about stuttering in Polish society. I also co-organize the International Conference on Logopedics entitled Fluency Disorders, Theory and Practice at the University of Silesia in Katowice, Poland.
In our presentation, I will discuss what we currently know about stuttering attitudes in young non-stuttering children. I will then summarize principles of attitude change and helpful supports for children who stutter. I will explain how these areas informed the development of an attitude change program called Interact, an educational program aimed to improve children's stuttering attitudes. I'll detail the components of the program and its evidence from its use in the United States.
In my part of our joint speech, I will say more about how the Interact program was adapted to Polish conditions and about its implementation in Poland. I will also present the results of the study when we used the child version of the POSHA-S to measure Polish children's stuttering attitudes before and after participating in the Interact. What is more, I will show you some examples of how we use Interact as a community-based intervention to educate professionals, SLTs, teachers, and SLT students to spread knowledge about stuttering and build an accepting and supportive society. We look forward to seeing you at the 4th International Conference on Stuttering from the 14th to 16th of October 2021.
Please follow the Facebook page for more updates at International Conference on Stuttering. Hope to see you there.